Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for any kitchen or workspace.
The Bryant Electric RU200W tradeSELECT Under Cabinet by Counter Power Distribution Box. This isn't just any power outlet, it's arguably the best plug molding under cabinet available right now.
Stick around as we uncover its features, design, and why it might be the perfect addition to your home or office setup. Let's kick things off with why this unit stands out. Designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind,
the Bryant Electric RU200W is tailored for discrete power solutions under cabinets and counters.
It's crafted from durable white metal, ensuring it blends seamlessly into any decor.
Now, what makes it special? This power distribution box accommodates GFCI outlets, making it ideal for safe and convenient power access.
Whether you're installing it for a kitchen TV, security systems, or other appliances, it ensures a neat and organized setup without compromising on style.
Speaking of style, the RU200W offers cover options in both nylon and metal finishes, allowing you to choose what best complements your space. Its compact dimensions 3.4 inches in depth, 5.57 inches in width, and 1.95 inches in height make it versatile for various installation needs. Now, let's talk installation. It's designed to be user-friendly with all mounting hardware included. You can easily integrate decorator-style devices, ensuring a customized setup tailored to your specific requirements. To wrap it up, the Bryant Electric RU200W tradeSELECT Under Cabinet by Counter Power Distribution Box is a standout choice for anyone
looking to enhance their workspace or kitchen with discreet, efficient power access.
Its blend of functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal makes it a top contender in the plug molding category.
Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Have questions or want to share your thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay powered up with the best.